Well, happy first day of spring. I'm gonna celebrate spring by making this spring garden bread. And I gotta tell you, the first ingredient is quite unusual. The first ingredient is a cucumber. You need to grate 1 cup of cucumber. So unique. I'm gonna put that in a mixing bowl. Gotta say, I've never grated cucumber before. A cup of sugar, half cup of vegetable oil, teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 eggs. Mix that until well blended. In another bowl, I need 1½ cups of flour, teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Give that a mix. Stir that into your cucumber mixture. I'm pouring that into a greased and floured loaf pan. And you're gonna bake this at 350 for 55 to 60 minutes. Have you ever used cucumber in your baking? Let it cool on a wire rack. Spring garden bread. It is extremely moist. It is very much like a zucchini bread, but it does have a cucumber aftertaste. It's good. I think I give it a 6.4 out of 10. Why did the dandelion quit dating? It kept getting blown off.